Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, what we're going to do is answer the question: is Cardano in trouble? So, it's my opinion that we are definitely going to see a little more fear before things get better. We're going to get into some of the reasons why, and overall, we're going to look at the macro, not just look at the micro. We're going to start there, but we're going to zoom out and take a look at what's going to happen most likely in the future. So keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose and a sick loose moose. So the moose's voice is gone, but we're going to deal with it. I don't know, maybe some of you will find it sexy. Who knows? Let's just roll with it. So in terms of the fear and greed index, we are in extreme fear. So overall in the market, you're going to notice a couple things. Typically, when things are going bullish, when things are looking good, when the prices are high, that is because people are excited, right? So here we have the different sides of the chart. So we got extreme greed, extreme fear. So basically, people get fearful or greedy. So right now we are definitely oversold. That's my opinion. For sure we can go a little bit lower, but generally just based on overall sentiment, there's a lot of fear. So the main reason for that is going to be the tariff talks and just overall, not much has happened in crypto. So we need a lot more bullish, positive momentum to get things going. So what will be that catalyst? I'm not quite sure, but let's dive into some of it. So Bitcoin sitting around 80K, just under. So not terrible, not great. But overall, like we're not going to go back to 50K. We're just too strong here. So Cardano, ADA is at 59 cents. ADA took a big wick down just a few days ago. So yeah, I think that 70 all the way down to 52, that was harsh. So on the year, not sitting bad. If you bought a year ago, you're fine. All time, you're doing well. So that's the main thing you want to look at here. So right now, there's a lot of fear in the market. And again, it's the tariff talk. It's the markets are shaky. It's what do you call it? Yeah, Black Monday. So, throughout the history of times, you've had these massive crashes in the markets, and they just continue, right? Because civilization is the management of human emotion. You're going to see it time and time again. A lot of people want to buy Bitcoin, buy Cardano when it's up here, when it's at $2-3, or when it hits $1.50, right? It's like, oh, this is going to $1 million. It's going to $1 trillion market cap. You want to get in now. Okay? So again, keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. But guys, it's my opinion that this is an incredible buying opportunity. The tech is still there. Smart contracts with ADA. You have the UTXOs, etc. Okay? So you're seeing all this happen in the space. We are not going further away from technology. We are embracing technology. Okay, whether it be self-driving cars, whether it be LED lights. Guys, we didn't even have electricity in houses like 150 years ago. Okay? So I would put that in perspective that, the internet's not going away, right? If anything, a new type of internet is coming. That may be Web3. So guys, comment down below. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? So ADA, I believe that it's a good time to continue to accumulate. Yeah, like it's not fun watching it go down. It's not fun for any of us, but I haven't sold anything. My position, I'm just averaging in more. So yeah, it hasn't been a great week. Honestly, I just care more that I'm sick right now, but I wanted to get some content out for you guys. There will be a lot more going in the future. So yeah, if you guys want to protect your crypto, use these links. Pick up a Trezor. If you are not using cold storage, pick up a Trezor. They are all 10% off. Use code MOOSE. Okay? Use code MOOSE. Save 10%. We also have online courses. In the meantime, Right now is a good time to educate yourself. Okay, so I have these courses. They will help you. I believe I took a year to build the simple guide to crypto. In the masterclass, I took just over a year. So these two courses are phenomenal. This one's free. On top of that, guys, just protect your crypto. I don't care what wallet you use. Just get your crypto off of centralized exchanges. If you have a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of Cardano, protect, protect, protect. Okay, so with that being said, the moose is sick and the moose is loose, trying to be a little loose. Cheers, everybody.